Hi viewers, welcome to Learning Zone channel. இந்த வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா 3rd standard science term 3 unit 1 or environment. இந்த லெசனோட 1 marks firstல பார்க்கலாம். Choose the correct answer. Which of these is an example for biotic factor? Goat. Second one, our environment is surrounded by dash, both biotic and abiotic factors. Human beings depend on dash for their food. Plants. Fourth one, dash are the primary producers. Green plants. Fifth one, which is an example for decomposer. Bacteria. Sixth one, which of these living things would die if there was no green plants on earth? The answer is D. A, B, C and D. The four choice may correct now. So the answer is option D. Next question. Dash is one of the natural things. Hill. Next question. Dash is a person who protects the environment. Environmentalist. The answer environmentalist. Dash is an example for abiotic factor. Water. Which of the non-living things can float? Air-filled balloon. Next question. Dash is one of the omnivorous animal. The answer bear. Dash animals which eat plant only. Herbivores. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. Dash is a consumer. Cow. A young plant is known as dash, sapling. Planting of sapling provides dash, oxygen. World Environment Day is dash, June 5th. Dash get food from dead plants and animals. Decomposers. Next question. Our dash is a wonderful gift to us given by the nature. Environment. Our environment is a wonderful gift to us given by the nature. Dash is an example for biotic factors. Plants. Dash is an unicellular organism. Amoeba. Dash is one of the parasitic plants. Cuscuta. Dash animals are flesh-eating animals. Carnivores. Dash is a decomposer. Bacteria. Roman letter 3. Match the following. Stone. Abiotic factor. Bacteria. Decomposer. Plants. Producers. Buffalo. Consumer. Lion. Biotic factor. Cuscuta. Parasitic plant. Amoeba. Unicellular organism. Fungi. Decomposers. Apico movement 1983. The Chipko movement 1970. Roman letter 4. Write true or false. Abiotic factor are important for biotic factor. True. River is an example for biotic factor. False. World Mahotsav is organized during the first week of July every year. True. Plants are consumers. False. Plants provide food, shelter to living things. True. Biotic factor cannot breathe and grow. False. Plants need water, soil, air, sunlight to live. True. Birds need soil, small creatures, air and plants. False. Cuscuta prepare their own food. False. Green plants depend on other plants. False. Survival of living things is impossible without plants. True. Roman letter 5. Name the following. Name some living things. Tree, cow, human, crocodile. Name some non-living things. Dam, chair, river, doll, football. Name some things that plants need. Soil, air, water, sunlight. Name some things which are needed for the human beings to survive. Air, water, sunlight, plants, animals. Name some things that an insect need. Air, soil, small creatures, plants. Name the abiotic factor needed for the animals to survive. Air, water, sunlight, land. Name an animal which flies in the air. Bat. Name an animal which lives in water. Shark. Name an animal which moves on the ground. Snake. Name some animals which eat only plants. Cow, goat, buffalo, sheep, deer. Name some herbivorous animals. Deer, cow, sheep, goat. Name some carnivorous animals. Lion, tiger, cheetah. Name some omnivorous animals. Bear, dog, crow, human. Roman letter 6. Find who I am. I am one of the biotic factors. I am living in the forest. I am called as the king of forest. Lion. Second one. I am one of the abiotic factors. You cannot see me, but you can feel. Without me, life cannot possible. Air. I cannot move around like animals, but I grow and my shoots move towards the sun. Plants. Next one, I can prepare my own food. I am called as the primary producers. Answer plants. Last one, I am one of the herbivorous animals. I like carrots. I live in burrows. Answer rabbit. Roman letter 7. Classify the following. Classify the following into natural things and man-made things. Dam, river, coconut tree, building, jasmine flower, hill, cloud, silver vessel, cell phone, temple, cake, air, sun, ship, water, pencil, book, doll, football, sunflower, crocodile and aeroplane. River, coconut tree, jasmine flower, hill, cloud, air, sun, water, sunflower, crocodile. These things are under natural things. Dam, building, silver vessel, cell phone, temple, cake, ship, pencil, book, doll, football, aeroplane. These things are under man-made things. Classify the following as biotic and abiotic factors. The factors are plants, chair, fish, elephant, washing machine, peacock, book, glass, chalk piece, cat, rain, frog, watch, man, pen, lion, water. The biotic factors are plants, fish, elephant, peacock, cat, frog, man, lion. The abiotic factors are chair, washing machine, book, glass, chalk piece, rain, watch, pen and water. The next question is, write the abiotic factors needed for the following biotic factors to survive: air, water, sunlight, soil, land, wheat, fruits, grass, ken. The answer is air, water, sunlight, land, fruits, grass, ken. These are under animals. Air, water, sunlight, soil, land. These are under plants. Air, water, sunlight, soil, land, wheat, fruits, grass, ken. These biotic and abiotic factors are under human beings. The next question is, classify the following biotic factors: tulsi, fungi, mango tree, rabbit, eagle, cat, dog, cucumber plant, human, grass, crocodile, crow, bacteria. The producers are tulsi, mango tree, cucumber plant and grass. The consumers are rabbit, eagle, cat, dog, human, crocodile and crow. The decomposers are fungi and bacteria. Roman letter 8. Circle the odd one out. River, air, doll, cloud. The answer is doll. Second one, tiger and soil, crow. The odd one is soil. Third question, plantain, air, water, sunlight. The odd one is plantain. Fourth one, sheep, rabbit, cheetah, cow. The odd one is cheetah. Fifth question, elephant, tiger, lion and leopard. The odd one is elephant. Roman letter 9. Unscramble the given letter to make a word. First one is abiotic. Second one plants. Third one amoeba. Fourth one environment. Fifth one ecology. Sixth one consumers. Seventh one herbivores. Eighth one omnivores. Ninth one carnivores. Roman letter 10. Give one word answer. How do we call a person who protects the environment? Answer, environmentalist. Which is the primary producer of food? Plants. Next question. Give an example for decomposer. Answer, bacteria. Fourth one. What is the meaning of Van Mahotsav? Answer, festival of forest. Fifth question. How do we call the young plant? The answer, sapling. Okay, thank you students.